The Flamingo Willow, I think, is one of the best late spring, early summer trees to have in your garden. Now, it's known as Salix nashiki, which is a bit of a mouthful, so let's call it Flamingo Willow. But it's called that particular name because the foliage colour is exceptional. So when it first comes into leaf, it has green leaves, but it progressively changes from green and cream, and then eventually got this lovely pink flourish to it as well. So I'm sure you will have seen it. It's not an uncommon plant or an uncommon tree. You will have seen it in gardens around and about, but it is an absolute belter. It's so easy to grow, as with any Salix. I mean, when you think about Salix, think about weeping willows. It's the same family. They are totally, utterly winter hardy. So however cold the weather is, this tree will survive. And actually, if you've got a slightly wetter place to plant it, again, no problem. This will absolutely love a slightly damper spot in the garden. So somewhere that occasionally even gets flooded, this would be fine. So no problems at all. It's easy to grow. It's winter hardy. They look incredible when they flank either side of a pathway or perhaps either side of a doorway. And around about May into June time, when they've got those three colours on the foliage, they just look extraordinary. And it's a real rarity to have the green, the cream and the pink colour combination all on one particular set of foliage. Now, these have been grown into what we call standard form, which doesn't mean they're ordinary or standard in the conventional sense, but it means they've been trained. So you've got this lovely clear stem, and what we can see just at the top here is the grafting point. So the rootstock is the section below. You've got the grafting point, and then the variety, which is the Flamingo Willow variety, is then grafted on the top to give you this flourish of incredible foliage colour and really, really great early summer interest. So grow them in pots, grow them directly in the soil in a bed or a border. Ideally, I think, plant them in pairs because they look astonishing when they're particularly grown like that. And this will bring the real interest and the real colour and the real point of difference to your garden in early summer. So Flamingo Willow, Salix nashiki, it's one of the absolute best garden plants and perfect for the smaller garden. So why not try this in your garden this year?